চলো 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 মুজাহিদ ফিলিস্তিনে চলো। Hi dears, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to take a class on the very basic question and their meanings and their answers. Okay, let's start our session. The very first question is who are you? তার মানে হচ্ছে তুমি কে, তুমি তোমার পরিচয় দাও। And for answering the question you have to say I am Mr. Adnan, or you can say I am Mrs. Amina. And this answer will be varied from person to person at the phase of their various names. Okay, now I am going to the very next question. The next question is how are you? Ke tumi kemon acho? The answer is I'm so well. You can say by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, another question is why are you here? তার মানে তুমি এখানে কেন এসেছো? Okay, the answer is I am here for seeing you. You can answer this question in another angle and is also depends on your own wish. Okay, I am here for seeing you. I am here for doing this. I am here for doing anything. And the next question is do you know me? তুমি কি আমাকে চেনো? Do you know me? The answer may be yes or no. Yes, I know you, or no, I don't know you. Okay. The next question is what do you do? তার মানে তুমি কি করো? The answer may be I am a student, I am a social worker, I am a emancipator, I am a household worker, I am a housewife, I am a very doctor, I am a police, I am army. And the next question where are you from? তুমি কোত্থেকে এসেছো? তোমার বাসা কোথায়? তোমার বাড়ি কোথায়? I am from Canada, I am from America, I am from Bangladesh, I am from Pakistan. And this answer will totally depend on your locality, on your country, and on your the very habitations. And the next question how can I help you? This is so crucial question for anybody. আমি তোমাকে কিভাবে সাহায্য করতে পারি? The answer may be if you don't need any help you can say thanks a lot for your desire to help me, but no need, I actually don't need any help in this moment. So for your desire to thank me, I thank to you a lot. And this is the time for me to go through the very another question. The very question is why do you help me? Why do you help me? তুমি আসলে কেন আমাকে সাহায্য করতে চাচ্ছ? The answer may be actually this is my habit for helping other. This is my habit to help other. Okay, and these are all from me for today. And at the next video I will try the best for showing you the very another questions, another answer and their meaning. Okay, I have to stop here now, and before stopping myself I want to say to all of you, please watch my video.